Thank you for visiting the Coinceras channel again. This is your last chance, and we got to discuss it in the video. What the markets are going to do is something we will discuss. The debt will be our topic of discussion. The pump will be our next topic of discussion. Folks, we're going to cover everything from the cryptos to antique coins and everything in between. Please be ready for the impending events in the markets. After that, I may have done something completely out of the ordinary that we will discuss, but I am more than happy to share it with you on this live broadcast. So, without further ado, let's dive into a digital currency. Ethereum's current price of $3,318 has caused a 1% decline to $65,832. With XRP at 57 cents, USDT and USDC are both up 1.33%. A 3% decline is the most significant. You have to enjoy it, folks, as always. Bitcoin can still fall below the 60,000 to 64,000 range, as we mentioned in the first video of the day, and the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is now $2.5 trillion. Where do we go from here? We managed to fill that CME gap, and we can still fill those lows when they happen, in my opinion. It is my solid belief that Bitcoin will continue its downward spiral, and I predict that XRP will reach a range of 50 cents to 53 cents. Even if we do manage to dip below 50 cents, I don't think it will be for much further until we start to see a pullback. Okay, so now you know that I collaborate with Keith and that we have many conversations on this channel. We discussed his XRP projections and I kind of tossed in my own. Where does XRP go from here? Here we go, it's easy. XRP often begins to push up bugs in June, so we should expect it to dip down and then move next month. The good times are just beginning, but those aren't the fireworks we're hoping for. The genuine, long-awaited fireworks display. Arriving in the first quarter of 2025, they will begin operations as early as next month. Step up your game April, I'm in. May is next month, and I'll take a brief detour. Because, well, what happens? XRP will begin its push up in May or June. We will discuss our advantage shortly. Behold, though. As far as I can tell from my NFT Twitter page, there are currently 6 separate breeding projects involving lions. This is so awesome. Let me tell you about the legendary Holiday of the Villains. After you obtain your NFT, you get XRP back. And if you want to go to the Marine Lab and make your own NFT, it's that easy. Pay $25 and cancel whenever you like if you haven't joined my Patreon group. My 15 cryptocurrency holdings and the percentage of funds allocated up to this point are shown here. Here's the wild thing I did prior to receiving all the information about this. The word for it is remorse. Can you define regret? To be honest, I'm not sure what a meme coin is. Yet we shall. On Solana, you'll find a meme coin. In addition, the goal of this project is to compile a directory of all the malicious individuals who have been engaging in Ron Paul attacks on the Solana blockchain. Someone informed me about this, so I jumped right in. Hey, we're gonna hurt ourselves. I tossed $1,000 at it, you know. So far, so good. Let's take stock. At the moment, it has been 43 minutes since this item went live. This is what's visible in the top right corner. We went live 44 minutes ago. We have had a 198% increase. Quite satisfactory, isn't it? Well, I'm prepared to cash in. I'm going to get $1,000 from you. Not to mention the $3,000. Sure, I'd be game. I'm prepared to leave. I paid the person to get in, though. Where he went is a mystery to me. Because he needs to, I hope I can fool him into thinking he's napped. He must raise me to my feet. However, I believe it will continue to rise. I offer 100% a 3, 4, or 5-fold increase would be wonderful if I could just visualize it happening. Let me clarify, we're at a 2x. I have no idea, I've never had so much fun before. What do you think? Money, you know. Let me tell you what occurs. You send them soaring into orbit. Getting them in early allows you to ride the wave of demand. This is it, I just can't take my eyes off of it. While I'm sure we'll be returning to this topic several times throughout the video, I say, hey, let's do it. With increasingly stringent Know Your Customer (KYC) policies, many exchanges are implementing what is known as a VPN loophole, which allows users to bypass these regulations and access less stringent but still legitimate exchanges. Among them, I'm sure I'll be included. Is there a more relaxed policy at Mexican El Bank, or is there a more proper manner to handle things legally? Obtain a straightforward Palau identification card. Now that they can trade and use these exchanges, a lot of people are getting that ID. These crap coins, shit coins, or whatever you want to call them, are illegal to purchase in the United States, which causes problems for Americans. Truly, it is awful. Yes, I am aware. Okay, I see. You betcha. I mean it. Regarding this, it's your call to return. Within 46 minutes, we had reached over 200%. 204%. I adore it. I would be thrilled to witness that. That will be addressed shortly. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is now accepting opinions on the spot Ethereum ETF. The SEC has also opened up common periods for ETF applications involving Bitwise and Grayscale Fidelity. I should read his paper aloud to you so you are prepared. No surprises await us. No one can halt the inevitable launch of an Ethereum exchange-traded fund. It has taken place. The SEC could have ended the corruption and turned it into a cereal, but instead, they did nothing. Well, an ETF based on Ethereum is on the way. This year, perhaps. I am uncertain. From a purely practical standpoint, I expect to see it next year, perhaps at the same time that we receive a Bitcoin ETF. Still, that's on the way. I have already informed you about this. We're planning to launch a cryptocurrency basket ETF and an XRP ETF. Once everything is all said and done, we will have exchange-traded funds ETFs that you had no idea existed, and there will be an ETF for every available ETF. I see. I want to return to my tiny stuff. Where do we stand at 206? This is the time for a major purchase. At this same moment, we require a substantial purchase. Also, it's not terrible if we may talk about this for 20 to 30 minutes to reach Solana. Give me a moment, and I'll fill you in. Anything you have, I'll take. Where he is, I have no idea. For $1,000, I'll take it all. I'm planning to withdraw 2,000 hence, 3,000. Let me go get some XRP for 60 cents. What is the number of tokens on an XRP? The year 1734. It's basically a loan for my map site. That's close to 5,000 XRP tokens. That's my job to do that. No problem, I can spend the entire day at it. I hope everything is going well in there for my direct messages. An expert in Bitcoin predicts that XRP's value will surge 859% to 6. The Bitcoin expert known as Milky Bull has found your last opportunity to buy. He predicted that XRP will reach 6. The video ends there. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.